Hey guys, been here. Previously we did a video about some trigonometry formula, and in this video I used a example truss family with some trigonometry formula. But I just noticed that there's a bug in this family. So today I'm going to talk about this. Okay, so let's. First, I'm going to create a truss family. Okay, structural truss, and top core. So I'll just create draw a line, start from this point, roughly like this, and then a bottom core, and then a web. So start from this vertical web and trim. Okay, so now create a angle dimension, and then create a angle parameter, instance parameter. Okay, so now this is the family, the truss family. So I'll just skip all the middle web, the web in the middle. Okay, so now let's create a project and load. Oh, sorry, let me just draw some wall at level 1 top constraint, and also draw a roof at level 1. That's okay. Pick wall, tab, select, and also I'll just uncheck the slope of these three, so make it a scalene roof. So let's go to 3D view, and let's change it to maybe 15 degree. I'll keep the wall like this so we can see the truss. Okay, so now go to floor plan. I'm going to load this truss family in this project and then draw it. So for example, from the center of this wall to this center of the other wall. And now you can see the truss here, and we can change the level. So for example, level 1, 0, and 0. So we go on the roughly at the top of the wall. Okay, so now oh sorry, I forgot to put add the formula. So let's go back to this family. So if I go back to this, so you will see what we use is this tangent A equals A divided by B. So in here, I'll just write down the formula here. So actually the reason of using this formula is to use an angle parameter to control this truss, but still we want this height, because currently there's nothing to constrain this height. See, there's nothing to constrain this height, but we still need to, what we want is we want this height to match actual height. So that's why we use that formula. So here truss height equals truss length times tangent bracket A. So this is the formula we use. So this height will match this height. Apply. So you will see now truss height here, and then it just match the top of this triangle. Okay, so load this back into this family and overwrite. So now select this truss family. Actually, now you will see here, here is where the bug is. Okay, so now if I change this angle, so for example 18, and then you will notice that this truss height, it won't change at all. So I can see type angle, so for example 15 to match the roof, but this truss height, it won't change. It stay at 3 meters. So even if I type in, it won't change at all. So I think this is a bug. This is not supposed to happen. So To fix this, I don't think we can. So let's go back, edit this family, because this truss height. So if I go to family types, so you will see this truss height here, and if you select it, edit, so you won't be able to delete it because it's a built-in parameter for a truss category family. So if you create a truss category family, if you create a truss, it will always have this truss height parameter. Okay, so you can't do anything, you can't change things, you can't change yeah. So I think what we can do is we can just ignore this parameter. We can create a new one. So if I create, so for example, I'll call it truss height calculation. So an instance as well. So now instead of using this one, so what I'm going to do is I'll Control X, cut that formula and paste it in here. So now you will see this becomes the formula to tell us what the actual height is, and this one just ignore it. Okay, so now if I click OK and load into the family on the right, and so select this family, so go down here. So now you can see this truss height calc tells us the height of the truss, and if I change this angle, so 14, see, it will change as well. Okay, so that's it. So, and then of course this truss height, just ignore it, it won't work, it doesn't work, it's just nothing. So typing 0 and means nothing. Okay, so that's it. If you have any question, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.